www.healthcmi.com, Acupuncture Continuing Education Online. In the news, acupuncture relieves chronic coughing for adults and children. In a recent study, acupuncture and acupoint herbal plaster therapy were both found to stop coughing for patients with chronic coughing. So acupuncture was effective for adults, and a special investigation of non-needle acupuncture using herbal plaster therapy was very effective for children ages 1 through 7. If you want to see the actual article and all the references to the hard research, visit healthcmi.com, click on News, and look for the June 21st, 2016 insertion of an article entitled Acupuncture Relieves Chronic Coughing for Adults and Children. The herbal plaster therapy involved taking Chinese herbs, boiling them down and putting them into a thin paste on a sheet and applying it directly to acupuncture points that had an extremely high effective rate of stimulating the patient's acupuncture points using the herbs externally on the skin through the plaster and stopping chronic coughing. The other investigation on adults using acupuncture points had a 90% total treatment effective rate. It was actually compared against a bronchodilator drug that achieved an 80% total treatment effective rate. So acupuncture was found very effective for chronic coughing. Acupuncture points featured in that study were lung 10, lung 5, lung 6, and 7, stomach 25, stomach 36, and stomach 40. And what the researchers found was that not only was acupuncture more effective than pharmaceutical medications for the treatment of chronic coughing, but that using lung, hand tai-in, and stomach yangming acupuncture points were more effective than several other techniques that were tried. So this is a great article for licensed acupuncturists to look up the most effective way to treat chronic coughing according to both ancient theory and modern research. Take a look at healthcmi.com. Thank you for listening. www.healthcmi.com.